Hi, my name's Stancy and I'm here to teach you how to add a gallery page to your format website. Gallery pages are great for adding feeds of images or video to your portfolio. To create a gallery page, go to the Pages tab on your dashboard, then press Create and Gallery. Give your gallery a name. I'm going to call mine Italy 2 and add the gallery. This will open up the gallery editor page. You'll see at this top this option to add an item. Here you can see the different types of elements you can add to a gallery page. You can add an image. This would be JPEG files, or you can add in animated GIFs in place of any image. Videos, which are embeds from YouTube or Vimeo. You need your YouTube or Vimeo link here. A text element, which is a great place to add longer sections of text that would be embedded within your feed of images. A header text, which would appear at the top of the page on a vertical theme or at the beginning of the feed on a horizontal feed. And a header image, which would have the same placement. I'm going to add some images to my gallery page. Here it will bring up the uploader screen. I can upload images from my computer, import from Dropbox, import from an existing page, or use our Lightroom or Capture One plugins. For more information on these plugins, please see our help articles on Lightroom or Capture One. I'm going to import from an existing page. Once I have my images in my gallery, I have some different controls I can use. I can drag and drop images into the order I would like them to appear. When you hover over the image, you'll see you can also add in a caption. This is a great place to add in a description of your image, like the title, date, or any other information about that specific image. Depending on your theme, this will appear below the image or as a hover over. You also will see the option to delete an image using the garbage can. You can change the image, or you can add in alt text. This is a great way to add in meta tags to your images for Google image search results. For more information about meta tags, see our help article on using your SEO. If I add in a text element, this will create a text dialog box. This is great for longer sections of text. This is sometimes used for artist statements, statements about different projects or additional information, but generally it would be longer than a caption. You can then drag and drop this in any position you want on your gallery page, and this will take up the same amount of space as an image or video would on your gallery feed. Then when you're happy with your page, press Save Changes, and you'll be presented with the option to either add it immediately to your site menu or to leave it unlinked. You can also use the Edit Design button to open up the design parameters related to your gallery page. If you go into your theme options and into the advanced section, you'll see that there are going to be options based on your theme under the gallery page to change the look and layout of your gallery. If you have any other questions about using a gallery page, click on the chat icon and someone from our customer success team would be happy to help you. Thank you and have a great day. Take care.